Hey guys, today's December the 10th of 2013. I want to go over the euro. I have been out of the loop for a couple of days. Was on vacation and got back the other day. So I'm back on track, trying to get my bearing on the markets. While I was on the road vacationing, I got into the euro uh, through my phone and placed a long position at 36.36. And to my surprise, this puppy just popped and it's just to continue going higher. So I guess it wants to test that 38, 32 level and see what's it going to do there. But know that this is educational video only, so please consult a professional financial advisor. I just give you my ideas and thoughts and forecasting and pivot turn dates and stuff like that and esoteric things. And then, but you decide if it's good for your trading or if it's garbage and just move on to the next video. Let's start with the trend line from here. It's been chopping around, and boom, it just blew right through it. I got in here on, I believe, was a 6 at a 36.36, and it's been going higher ever since. So I'm trailing my stops. All these right here are ATRs. That's my cat right there, and I made them closer because I probably had a wider range. The multiples are 1 now, so you can see now they're really close to price, and I'm just trailing them just to see what happens. But this is kind of just giving you an idea where the stops will possibly be, where things get ugly. They'll start triggering and the selling pressure will begin. Andrew's pitchfork. Let's see where we're at on that one. You can see right now we're above this channel. This is the middle line, the medium line, and we're on the left side, so we're good. That's bullish. If you're here, not so bullish. If you're here, not good. You're on the off the road, off the sideline. But here, you're doing good. You're pushing higher, and this channel will probably be your resistance if we continue going higher, or this pivot high. So those are the things you got to keep an eye on. Next, Andrew's pitchfork. This channel from right here to this low. So now we're back on track. We haven't cracked this angle right here. So now if we could continue going higher, going zigzag or break through here and continue on this side, that's good. That's a good sign. You got to keep an eye on this angle for now. Let's hide this. Let's hide this. And let's look at our ABC long from here to here to here. And you're at the 37.67, which is a 65%. And interesting, today it hit 37.67 as a high, and it hasn't taken it out yet on my charts. But I believe we're probably going to go higher and take out that 30. My cat's going crazy. Hold on. Come on. Little stinker. All right. So you got to keep an eye on that level right here. I don't know. I don't think it's going to be resistance, but you never know. Let's get this ABC out, and price retracement wise, from this swing to this swing low, swing high, swing low, you broke through the 25%, which is at 36.97. Your next resistance would be the 38.31, this pivot high. Now, if you want to go to the bigger levels, there's a price retracement. I'm going like monthly, like swings now. There's a big one right here, the 38.40, and I think that's why maybe this euro kind of topped out close to it, because the selling pressure was strong. People already were piling in early before even try to even kiss it. So I believe it probably will kiss this level and test it, test that high, and probably even pierce and push even higher towards the 38.40. And once it gets to that 50% level, then you got to see what the euro is going to do. And then there's another one, but I don't think it's showing, but because it's higher. But let's wait till we get to 38.40, and then we see what we got going on. I think that's it for the euro. It was nothing else. Let's look at the my monthly grid, not my monthly, my 5, 4, 11 grid, and you see right here, this is going to be an interesting area to watch this angle. That's 37.85 around there. That one you should keep an eye on, and it slopes lower the closer, the more days pass by. So either today or tomorrow, you just keep an eye around that 37.86 area. We blow through that, we're gonna test that 38.32, which is that 38.2 Fibonacci level, and maybe continue going higher. Let's glance this chart real quick to see what we got. I got 5 minutes in, so you're above the monthly woodies, which is the R1. You got R2 up here. R1 is 37.49. The next R2 monthly will be that 38.47. And then you got a linear regression line, which is this line right here that goes down. Normally on the daily, if you try to push that, you're really overextended. But we'll see. That could be resistance, and that's like 37.96. Then you got the Woody's weekly R1 right there, which is like a 38.03. So we'll see. Those are the resistance I have there. Weekly is not that bad. I want to show you monthly. The monthly, you got the Ichimoku cloud right here. So that's going to be resistance. That cloud right there, that's 37.76. So keep an eye on that level. And then this orange like red line going across, this is the medium line on the monthly. Like linear regression, this is the medium channel line right there. You got the 50% here, which the euro tried to kiss it and failed and pushed all the way down. And that's 38.40, pretty much. Same thing from the first chart I showed you. So that's something you got to keep an eye on right there. You're right at the cloud, and that's all resistance. Once you get in there, it's going to be consolidating. You're above the cloud on the daily and the weekly, but on the monthly, you really haven't pushed through that barrier. Big picture, and then we'll get ready to trade the U.S. session. This is my monthly, weekly, daily, and 12-hour. Let's see what we got on the 12-hour. It's looking very bullish. You're above all the moving averages, pushing higher. Positive TEMA, positive MOBO. You're in zoom mode on CCI. Yeah, this is kind of telling you maybe a cycle turn is coming in right now, but it's on a 12-hour. We'll see, but still bullish, very bullish. Here you're pushing higher. Same thing here. On the daily, same thing, very bullish. TEMA, positive. All these are positive. You're in zoom mode on the daily. Very positive. Positive. You had a squeeze play set up here, meaning price was contained, and then it exploded right there, and it's pushing higher. You got the full moon coming up. I believe it's either the 16th or the 17th, one of those 2 days. And then you got the equinox, winter solstice, which is the 21st of December. And I believe that's a Saturday. So Double D Gann always said that, check these dates for a possible change of trend. So it'll be interesting. On the weekly, you got a Fisher buy signal, one of my favorite signals here in this platform. And it's just telling you that price action is to the upside. It did all this chop right here, and finally we got it. So you got it here on this week to go long, and you got a PPS buy signal, and you broke out a MOVO band. So you're pushing higher. This is probably a level you probably want to kiss, is that 38.52. And then on the monthly, that 50% Fibonacci level, which is that 38.39 or 38.40. And then see what happens there. But everything is positive. MMG, this is starting to, go higher. You got a blue bar here on TTM squeeze. Monthly team is positive. Everything is positive. This is trending higher. This is going higher. This is pushing higher. This is just not even looking back. It's going higher. And your squeeze play exploded, and you're pushing to the upside. So I am bullish. I am long on 36.36. And next video, I should have some calculations on possible turn dates for the month of December, if they do happen. And then we'll take it from there. Good trading. Make some pips. And I'll see you again. Peace.